Welcome everyone! Today we'll be showing you how to make chocolate cupcakes. The ingredients you will need are a chocolate cake mix.
And the chocolate cake mix requires us to have 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, 1 1/4 cups of water.
You'll also be needing a cake tray and some cake liners. You can use icing, but it's optional, and the sprinkles are also optional.
And last but not least, you need some utensils and a mixing bowl. The first step is to make our cake mix.
First thing you need to do is add the chocolate mix into the bowl.
Then you add your water.
Then you're gonna add the 3 eggs. Now you're gonna add the oil.
Let's mix it.
Mix it on level 4.
Make sure to preheat your oven while your cake batter is mixing. This is how your cake batter should look like.
Now we're gonna put it in the cupcake liners. If you guys have extra cake mix, you can make a small cake with it.
Now put your cupcakes in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes of baking your cupcakes, it should look like this.
Now let it cool for about 15 minutes.
Now it's time to decorate the cupcakes.
We're using icing or frosting. Now you can add some sprinkles.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.